Got him.
Oh, nice.
He's barely lipped. Yeah, that one sucked. He was barely lipped.
He was barely lipped. I saw him right here. Oh,
Little baby. It's a bluegill.
Ooh.
Holy cow.
he's pretty.
Sweet. Bluegill for the win. I think it's already too late in the day for the plopper, unfortunately.
What? You caught something on it.
Yeah, bluegill. That was probably.
Oh, see?
Yes, sir.
Look, you're talking too soon. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, it's stuck. Okay.
It's two. I got a double whammy, dude.
I know you did it.
I lost one though. No.
Oh, he did. He fell
It was a
off.
twofer.
That was good. You did.
That was awesome. I had a twofer on there. But I lost one. He hit the tree. Yes, sir. A little dinky. But it's all good. Hey, salute the bass.
Nice.
And we'll let them off with a warning. And with that whopper plopper. Salute to you, buddy.
Watch him catch it.
Dang it. I wish I would have got that both.
Too bad we
But
don't got the
nonetheless.
net. There he is. It is a good one. Trying to move out of your way.
There it is. Oh yeah. There we go. Sweet. Salute the bass as always. We salute your services, buddy. On the Whopper Plopper 90. Oh yeah, good old splash. Yes, sir.
Nice. That was a good one.
It's just not plopping for you today or what? Oh, at the boat.
Look at that.
At the boat, dude.
This is okay.
At the boat, my guy. Hey, salute the bass. That's awesome. All right, we'll let you off with a nice little warning there, fella. Yes, sir. Let go.